A very good morning, my dear children. Welcome to our English class. Today, let us see the continuous tenses in verb. Before going into our today's class, let us have a quick recap of what we have seen yesterday. Yesterday, we have seen simple present forms. As we have discussed that it is used to express our daily actions or habitual actions, our general truths, the things which we do in common, right? Here, the first one is already done for us. Second one, Ritika reads a story every day. Kindly cross-check your answers, children. Most birds make their nests in trees. A river flows towards the ocean. The shop next door sells onions. Sixth one, Asim always eats before 8. By adding s, we are changing it into simple present form. Next, present progressive tense. First, second is already done for us. So, look into the third one. Are you waiting for a bus? No, I am waiting for my friend. Fourth one. Is the man filling the bucket? No, he is washing some clothes. Fifth one. Are you peeling an apple? Yes, I am peeling an apple and a banana. Sixth one. Is he ironing our clothes? Yes, he is ironing everyone's clothes. So these are the answers, children. Kindly cross check. If there are any mistakes, kindly correct them. Now today let us go to today's topic. Today's topic is verbs continuous tenses. Everyone know what is a verb, right? A verb is what is a verb? It is an action. All doing words are called as verbs, right? So now let us see continuous. The word continuous itself is giving us clear picture that it is about the continuous tense, means which is continuing in its action. Let us see. Whoever is having textbooks, kindly open the new grammar tree, page number 32. Read the following sentences carefully. Mohan is sleeping now. The dog was barking last night. Navin will be coming home tomorrow. If you observe, all the words, the underlined words, are been ending with ing forms. As we have discussed yesterday, that ing means the work or the action is continuing. Walking, eating, sleeping. The action is continuing, right? So here Mohan is sleeping now. The dog was barking last night. Navin will be coming home tomorrow. All the verbs in the above sentences denote actions that are continuing and so are not complete or over. Will be coming. For example, will be coming means he has not yet come. He is yet to come or he is going to come. The action may take place or else the action may not take place in the present. Next, if you see here a bit, is sleeping. The first one, is sleeping, refers to time present. Is sleeping. Mohan is still sleeping. Means he is still sleeping. It's the action. The action is happening now. That is called as present tense. That which we have learned yesterday, right? Was barking refers to past time. Was barking means the action had completed. But see here, the dog had not stopped barking. The dog had not stopped barking at the point of time in the past. The speaker is referring to, like, for suppose you visited your aunt's house. There you have a dog. Immediately when the dog saw you, it started barking. How do you explain to your friend, when I visited my aunt's house, the dog was barking continuously? You will add something like this, right? So the dog doesn't bark once and it didn't stop. It was barking. It means it was continuing the action. Was will be added to refer the past form. Is will be added to refer the present form. Understood, children? Next, C bit. Will be coming refer to future. Will be means the action didn't happen yet. It is going to happen. Will be, will come. When are you coming to my home? If anyone asks you, I'll come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. Will come means the action didn't happen. Tomorrow it's going to happen, right? Next, he will be on his way home at the point of time in the future that the speaker is thinking of. So will be will refer to the action which is going to happen in future. Next, the tense of a verb that describes an incomplete or ongoing action is called present continuous. The tense of a verb that describes an incomplete. See here, it is continuing. The action is continuing. It is not yet completed. The action is continuing, right? So it is an incomplete or ongoing action. Or ongoing action is called. What is it called? Let us see. First one, present continuous. It is called present continuous. When it is called present continuous, see here, if the action refers to the present, we call it as present continuous when the action refers it to present, like she is laughing, he is playing the violin, he is eating, she is listening, where the action is present, where the action is going on now. She is listening. What are you doing? You'll be saying, I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV. The action is going on now. What is your sister doing? She is listening to music. The action is going on there. That is called as present continuous. She hadn't stopped listening. She listened. You're not saying she listened. She is listening. Means the action is going on there. Next, second one. In that case, you call it as present continuous. Simply just remember, is will be added to present continuous. It refers to the present situation. Next, past continuous. If the action refers to the past, past means where the action is already happened, over. She was laughing. He was playing the violin. She was laughing. My aunt was laughing tremendously. So you're not saying that my aunt laughed. Laughed means the action has been completed over there. Understood? But you are saying my aunt was laughing. Laughing means she was continuing doing the action. She was doing the action without stopping. Okay, it can be she may stop after some time, but to express your words, you'll be answering in this way. She was laughing. Next, he was playing. When I visited my uncle's house, my cousin was playing violin. He was playing violin, where the action was going on at that moment. But actually, the what you were explaining was over, past. It was past. When I visited my uncle's house yesterday, he was playing the violin. When you visited means it is already over. The action has been done. But what you were trying to say, what he was doing at that time, you were trying to say, right? So the action was going on at that time. Next, future continuous. If the action refers to the future, She will be laughing. He will be playing the violin. If I dress up like a joker, my sister will be laughing. The action was not yet done. You didn't dress up like a joker. You are saying that in future, if I dress up like a joker, my sister will be laughing. The action was not yet done. It is going to happen. Understood? You are expressing your words like it will happen in future. Next, here are the simple present and present continuous. We have three parts: simple present, simple past, simple future. In that we have present and present continuous, simple past and past continuous, simple future and future continuous. All these are there. Yesterday we have learnt about first person, second person, third person. Do you remember those rules, children? First person means I, you. Second is he, she, it, right? Third is we, you, they. Here now singular and plural, they have given us in singular form and also in the plural form. For simple present singular, you say I play. The same thing in present continuous, you'll be explaining as I am playing. The action is continuing. I am playing. Next, plural form, we play. We are playing. All the continuous forms will be ending with ing. If you see ing form, simply remember that it is the continuous tense. But check whether it is present continuous or past continuous or future continuous. Understood? Next, singular, you play. You are playing. Plural, you play. For you, we doesn't have any other plural form. So, you for you, plural is also you. You play. You are playing. Same. Singular, he, the third person. He plays or she plays or it plays. He is playing, she is playing, it is playing. It refers to any animal or things. Plural for that, they play or they are playing. Next, simple past, singular, I played. Past tense, I played. Over, the action is done. I played. I was playing. Continuous, past continuous, I was playing. She was laughing. He was playing piano. All these were past continuous, right? Next, plural, we played. We were playing. We were playing. For I, the plural form will be we, right? So we played, we were playing. Next, singular, you played. You were playing. The plural form for you is you only, right? You played. You were playing. All these are were, was, were, refers to past tense. Just have that in your mind. Is refers to is, are refers to present. Is, are refers to present. Was, were refers to past tense. Next, singular, he played or she played or it played. She was playing, he was playing, it was playing. Next, plural form, they played, they were playing. So present tense means is, are. Past tense means was, were. Let us see for future tense. Simple future, I shall play. I shall be playing. I shall, will are the future tense forms. We may say will, shall, both are same. I will play or I shall play, both are same. Both refers to the future tense only. I shall play. I shall be playing. We shall play. We shall be playing. Singular, you will play. You will be playing. You will play. You will be playing. Next, third person singular, he will play or she will play or it will play. It will play. He will be playing, she will be playing, it will be playing. Like as I gave you an example, like if I dress up like a joker, my sister will be laughing. My sister will be. In future she may laugh, will be. Next. The plural form is they will play, they will be playing. Okay, children? Next. It is very clear from the above tables that in a continuous tense we have a main verb. What is the main verb here? Play. Right? For play only we have added yes in present tense. In past tense we have added ed. In future tense we have added will play. Right? Or ing. We have added ing forms. So, what is the main base verb? The base verb is play. For play itself you have added all these different things to create the main verb. Next. I am playing, we are playing, he is playing, you are playing, it is playing, they are playing, I shall be playing, he will be playing, they will be playing, and so on. So here playing is common. Playing is an action word. You know that playing is a verb very well. Then what about this am, are, is, are, shall be, will be? All these are also verbs. These are called as helping verbs. These are called as helping verbs. With the help of these helping verbs, we can understand that the action is happening or the action has happened or the action is going to happen. Without the helping verb, we can't understand the verb in a particular sentence. So the ing form of a verb can be used as a verb only with the help of another verb such as am, is, are, was, shall be and will be. Javed is working. Javed working. Can you identify without the helping verb? Is the sentence complete, children? Javed working. What is that? That's not a complete sentence, right? If you add Javed are working, Javed was working, Javed is working, are is not the suitable word here. Javed is working or else Javed was working gives the complete sentence. Is working means it is happening now, that is present tense. Was working means it already happened, so that will be past continuous, right? So by adding these helping verbs, we can identify the action. When did it happen? What kind of tense it is, we can easily identify with the help of these helping verbs. Next. Note that working, singing, studying, reading, swimming, going by themselves do not show any tense. See, if I say singing, dancing, do you identify what kind of tense it is? If I say simply these single words, no, we can't identify. Only with the help of the helping verb, only we can identify the tense. If I say was singing, means it is already over, right? So it is past continuous. If I say are playing, present continuous, right? Will be coming, future continuous. So with the help of this helping verb only, we can understand the verb. When did it happen? We can understand the tense, what kind of tense it is. Next, warning. Okay, here let us as we have discussed yesterday, that the habitual actions or general truths or daily actions will be in simple present, right? We always write them in the simple present. We do not write them in past form. Like continuous tenses are never used to denote actions. Continuous tenses never used to denote actions which we do almost every day. To denote such actions, we use the present tense. If you want to say that somebody drinks milk every morning, you should not say he is drinking milk every morning. No. You need to write in the present tense form, right? He drinks milk every morning. In the same way, we are sleeping at night and waking up in the morning. It is a daily action. So you should not say like this, sleeping at night and waking up in the morning. No, we sleep at night and wake up in the morning. You need to frame in the simple present form. We shouldn't use the continuous tenses for the daily actions or for the general truths or any kind of habitual actions. Most Indians are eating rice or wheat. No, you should write most Indians eat rice or wheat. In the very next page, you have a worksheet given. Pick out the verbs from each sentence and name the tense of each one. One has been done for you, and we have to pick out the verbs from each sentence, and we need to name the tense of each. One has been done for you. Let us see here. First one, mother was cooking lunch. In this, was cooking. Cooking is an action word. You know that, right? First, identify where is an action word. Look out for the verb. What is the verb here? Cooking. So, cooking cannot be simply by cooking. We cannot say what kind of tense it is, right? So, look for the helping verb. What is the helping verb given here? Was. Was cooking. So, was cooking refers to what? Let me show you. Here, see here. Was cooking. Was is for past tense, right? Simple past. Was cooking. Was, I was playing. We were playing. So, was is there for past continuous, right? Singular, that is. So, they have written as past continuous. In the same way, so it is past continuous. Now, second one. The wind is blowing through the leaves of the trees. What is an action word here? Blowing is an action word, right? So, what is the helping verb given for that? Is. So, is blowing. Is always refers to present tense, I said you, right? So, is blowing will become your present continuous. If you have any doubt, just go back to the page where it is given like simple present, simple past, simple future is there, right? Go back to that page, check what is it, what kind of tense it is, and you can continue writing. Third one, we listened to what he told us. What is an action word here? Listened, told. So what are the helping words given? Helping verbs given? We, he. So we listened. We. Here the action we listened means the plural form will be we, right? We listened. Here we played means what is that? Simple past. So write it as simple past, and then he told. The same thing. He told. Simple past. Next. Arun fell asleep when our teacher was telling us a story. What are the action words? Fell asleep and telling are the action words, right? Fell asleep will become your simple past. Okay, I have written here as past tense. No, you write simple past. Was telling. Was is your past tense, right? So past continuous. Was telling will become your past continuous. Next, fifth one. I was watching television when the doorbell rang. What are the action words? Watching, rang, right? What are the helping words here? Was watching, doorbell, rang. It. Doorbell is something, a thing, right? So it, he, she, it is there, right, in the third person. So it will become here doorbell will become a thing, that is it. Was watching will become your past continuous, and doorbell rang will become your simple past. In the same way you do from 6 to 10. Try to take the help of the page. Here you will be having simple present, simple past, simple future. It is very easy to identify whether it is present continuous or past continuous or future continuous. Just try to compare the sentence or the word to this table so that you will get the answer easily. Hope you all have understood, children. Do it in your textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.